Oke, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome back to me. So, in here you back it again to me. Before, there's a long of time you not watching my video. Okay, sorry, but before I'm doing any project out there, so because of that, I get some problem in there. So because of that, I cannot make a video again. And now you back it again to me. So now I will making a project and the project name is about find my edge. Second, now this one, and the app name is find my edge. Bro. I think I want something that's so within it. But I think I will set it first. Find my edge icon non. This okay, the package name is my name. And after you already making the biggest name, so I will starting this. So the first thing is about making the Samsung Galaxy S9, and in it I want to fixing some problem in it, maybe for my connection with you guys. Okay, I have you not bored while waiting me. So guys, I already fixing some problem here, and now in it I want to find something in here, and the first thing is for text box. Yeah, so I will get that in here, and the second one is about center center and no, this one not this but top, and after that, and after you put it, don't forget to find space in here button. This is just a few assets first for this one, and then in here I will adding in here button in here, and don't forget to adding image in here. Image. Okay. And the last one is there's a two, and there is a clock and decoration. So this is like a few project in it, so I will. Okay guys, so in here I already come back to here, and then this one, the button is we type it in here, find my edge, and then I will little bit modification in here. So I will making this button is going to this inside, uh, and then this one the color this is 20, and the button color is um, it's indigo. It's my favorite color is indigo, and the color view is indigo. So this is how you can making a color radius in here, and add the image, uploading a file, and the file is about what's that guys. Hmm. This one, this child. After upload child, we upload teenager in here. After the you uploading adult, this, but do not select at all this one. Just put it in there. It's like this. This is just my old project. Okay, I think it's already. So now I want to making this screen is gone. title visible, title not visible. Okay, good job. So now I want to making this application and I start it from this page. Okay, so this is all of my code that I already making in here. So now going to the control in here, and no control but screen one. Goes to the screen one. No space screen one. Screen one initialize. Okay, I think we need to adding this one first. Adding this. Oh, I'm sorry guys, my son I think it's little. I think we need to add this. Are you here when I said to for making this one? I don't know, but I hope so. Continue to this one, and then after you add you find it text box input in here. Because the text box one is just one, so it's easy for finding this one. Text box, text box. You duplicate this and going to the other component. Then this one, we're making this or this. You find in math this, and you put it. No, not this one, but the but is 10. And for this one, what should I choose? Hmm. You just need to just and duplicate, and then this is one is just wrong. Logic and one is false. So making the border color is on you, and after that, nice. When bottom one click do, so I will explanation to you after I already making this and ID. Okay. So in the image, set image, set image from picture to picture. Going to the side in size first. Oh, I know this box is from math. So in here, guys, you find in math, and then you click it in here. In here, you go into the clock. Clock your instant. Find in at yours instant. What are you going to do? I don't know. Didn't say take classroom. This one. And add this one, and then you say upload your file that you have. And now you adding call clock one now. Find it in a call clock. One no. Oh, but I need to be careful here because the block is so many in here. Nah, this one, adding this one, and then I think I need to use it out if then if then. And the second one, I will text box input text. Text box one here, where we change it to be input. Oh. Mhm. Wait a minute, guys. So in here I'm adding something, uh, some project and some blocks in here. So this is how many minutes I already spent for it for more. Oh, I already spent it for 11 minutes. So now I will continue to this project first. So now this one, I think I need to duplicate this one, duplicate, and then in the mat, on the mat we find it a block at right like this one. You connect it to here, and then you find it mat again. You find it's your thing and you type it in here to yeah 200. Hmm. Why are they doing this one? So now in then hmm. But yes, I think I need to find it this one. Call clock one high keyboard. Mm-hmm. Or on the button. I don't know what is the block is it? Oh, okay. This box one high keyboard, and in here, yeah. So I will start it again. This is so before this some of osis. Just one two. Yeah, you know long. So I will adding in here, but it's not of this one again. Just that of this one, and I will adding in here. Hmm. Yeah, chat. So now the other 15 is already, so I will duplicate in here. And this one is for teenager in here. Duplicate again, and this one is for this one, the block that I will show to 2004. 2004, this one, and this one is, oh, I think this one is N. So now I will searching in here N in here. Then is that in the logic? So you adding this and you do duplicate of this one. You type in here 2004, etc. I think this one is I need to change it this one first. Mhm. Okay guys, I think this one that's all about this Findmyage. You can modificating about this application. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video. I'm sorry if I have a mistake in here from to you, and that's what I want to say. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for watching.